Morning. Today we are working on something German. Yeah, we heading to check out a car for a day one client. I've been working on this car, I want to say since about 2016. It's a Mercedes S430. That's a really reliable car too. That's a reliable ass Mercedes. This car has, I want to say, like almost 400,000 miles now. Yeah. And all I usually would do on it is just a little scheduled maintenance. I think I did a tune-up on it a couple years back. Regular oil changes, multi-point inspections. Yeah. Out here in DeSoto, Texas, the land of black excellence. Yeah, this client said that there is an extremely obvious coolant leak. So usually, like when it's a coolant, it's the radiator, thermostat housing, if it's made of plastic, especially if it's made of plastic, radiator hoses. With it having close to 400,000 miles, it may be possible that it's a head gasket. Hopefully not. Sometimes that exhaust gas will just push into the coolant system and just cause a lot of pressure. So you get to replacing parts, and then it's just going to the next weakest point after that. But we gonna see. We gonna see. It's on the left side too. Left, front, right. On the right. Damn. It's a big pool.
Yeah, I'll look down in there.
What could that be? It's not the water pump, is it? Definitely gotta replace that one soon. Could be a bad pulley. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a water pump. This pulley barely turns too. So she was probably hearing that knocking sound from the water pump pulley, the bearing. That'll probably have to be a special order too. I don't think they'll have that in stock. It's that water pump pulley. Low on oil, so I added a quart also to it. All right, we got this water pump replaced. It's pretty simple. When you removing it, just make sure when you take out every bolt to it, and the bolts sizes are going to be, what is this? It's like E12 and E10s. It's the torque bits. Let me show you. These kind. Just take out each bolt one by one and put it inside of the water pump of the old one where it goes.
So sick of talking about spam calls.
I know. It make me not want to answer like no calls at all. I mean, sometimes like 20 calls before 10 o'clock. Random numbers. I just send a message like, hey, not available to talk. Send me a text message. Oh, it's a landline actually.
That's what I literally just started doing that. When if I don't see the number, I'm just hit. I'm busy. Send me a message.
Yeah. It's crazy. It's giving anxiety. It was worse during the pandemic, that's for sure. So no more issues after this. All weird sizes, that's crazy.
It was PNC Bank last week. Open. Okay, just 22,500.
Damn. And that's just for like a loan, like a business loan, or?
No, it's credit card. And then he's got a couple business loans.
Yeah.
It's like literally anything that I want to do. I'll do. I'll get it no matter what.
Yeah.
Like the kids and get you some. You got how many credit cards?
Yeah.
All your bills with the credit card. And then you just pay it back. Set it up on auto pay and then just slowly pay it back in.
Yeah. And that's like his business, helping people get grants and stuff like that.
Yep.
Damn. Well, shit, maybe I might need his number then. Maybe.
I was like, well, we don't talk.
Yeah.
Like, we need first time.
$380,000 miles. Still sounds really good. And that one is finished. That was a pretty simple water pump replacement. Like I said, just remember when you're removing the bolts to put them in the old water pump one by one. That way you don't mix and match any of the bolts.